Hello, welcome to Christmas. I know I'm not wearing anything particularly Christmassy. Video is planning. I love planning. Planning is so exciting. Looking up online things to do, where to go, what to buy people. I love choosing presents for people. That makes me really happy. So yeah, let's plan Christmas together. Number one is supplies. You need something warming in a festive mug. B&M, I think these are £2.99. Absolutely gorgeous. There's one with a bear on as well, but I just fell in love with this stag. I thought it was beautiful. I've got festive nails. Don't know if you can see. Is that going to focus? There's a camera. There it is. Focus. I've gone old school with my nails. Dark red nail varnish with glitter. Nail varnish over the top. I'm hoping, Santa, if you're listening, I would love a gel nail kit for Christmas, because these are already shipped and I did them like this morning. The other thing you need is some festive snacks. £1 from B&M. You also need some supplies. I've got some lovely iridescent different coloured card, because I like to brainstorm onto card, draw mind maps and things. I need as many colours, pens as you wish. I've already put down the main elements of my Christmas planning. You can see that. So in the middle it's got Christmas 2020 planning. This is the front sheet, if you like, and it says Christmas Eve, getting the house ready, decorating, activities, Christmas content for my YouTube and stuff, and food. So what I'm going to do now is just expand further on. So for example, decorating, coming off here, I'll put living room, my room, kitchen, porch, and then I'll put what needs to be, what I plan for the decorations. This also helps me to figure out where the gaps are. So for example, if I want to put a 5-10 foot blow up Santa in the front garden, write it on there, and then I'll know I need to go and get a 10 foot blow up Santa. Eleanor wants a Christmas tree this year, and so we will get her a Christmas tree and some stuff to go with it. A mind map of all the things that need to be done before Christmas. It looks like a lot, but when we start breaking it down, it's not really. And doing it this way, it means that I remember what needs doing. So the next video is going to be getting the house ready. So I will work on that one right now. So on a fresh piece of paper, I'm going to divide this one into two, one for a list and then one for a mind map. So the first thing I'm going to do is put cleaning in the middle. sort of brain dump of all the things that need doing, and then broken down into specifics. I mean, this is quite this isn't very detailed yet, but you know, I'll add more to that, and things will probably change as we go. And then made some lists, and finally we have Christmas Eve and the plan for Christmas Eve. All of this is completely subject to change and additions and all the rest of it, so I'm going to carry on with that. What I'll do once I've decided exactly what I'm doing, it's all going to go into my diary, and honestly it's going to be the first time all year my diary is being put to proper use, because I bought it in December last year, and yeah, I had 2 months or 3 months of stuff in it, and then the whole world went crazy. So yeah, Christmas is the saviour of my 2020 diary, because I've got like 9 months of nothing in there. I think we're all the same, aren't we? And if you have liked this video and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing, hit the like button, drop me a comment, tell me what you think, and we will go through this YouTube journey towards Christmas together. See you soon. Bye.